Me try?
This is nice. Oh my gosh. How come nobody didn't tell me about a frappe from before? Hey, Kayla.
Hi.
Who's the prettiest daughter in the world? Hey, folks. Yes, so it's actually a few days later. Sean and River is already in the car. Hello.
So I think I just found
Hi. Yeah, Sean is already in the car.
Well, they were supposed to find a house that they all loved.
You watching? I said say hi.
Hi.
Hi, folks. Y'all can't talk to Sean though. Somebody commenting say they see that Sean getting more comfortable. He ain't not showing no more, and you come back with your. I think it's because I don't vlog as often. I need to vlog every day then. I need to be up in Sean's face every single day. Guys, so we're actually headed on the road, right? We have a few things to do, so you guys can come along with us. We actually need to go. I feel like you know, it's like I always going to the supermarket, but we don't, right? Yeah, it always seemed that way though. Yeah, so we can go in the supermarket and we need to do a few bits and pieces. But y'all, last night, Riv, what's going on? Giving me blanket, Kay?
I did.
So last night we started to watch. You should have indicated, babe. They're waiting for you, huh? Last night we started to watch. Look, Kayla face in the video. I always catch your face looking all screw up. Yeah, last night we started to watch The Watcher. We were watching The Watcher. It's a 7-episode series, and y'all, it's so good. Sean actually fell asleep on me, and he was like, "Yeah, let's finish this tomorrow." But I couldn't, so I stayed up. I stayed up the whole night. I probably went to bed at 2 this morning.
Or something. Then
Yeah.
I wrote a letter to it, like a love letter.
Is that what you play?
Somebody posted theirs. Somebody posted theirs.
Yeah, so I would recommend that you guys watch it though. It's actually. He see this car coming?
Nice.
Jeez.
Right?
Yeah, I would recommend that you guys just pull up right here. So come in. I would recommend that you guys watch it though,
No, I'll use my own phone. So.
because it's actually pretty cool. I like it. I couldn't stop watching it. I had just had to watch the very end. And for those of you guys that haven't watched it, I won't put in any spoilers or anything, so I'm not gonna talk about it. But comment down below though and tell me if you've watched it. The Watcher. Yeah, comment down below and tell me if you guys watched it. I think it's is it number 1 on Netflix now or something? It's in the top 10 right now on Netflix. You know, Netflix have like the top 10, like, so it's popular. Everybody's watching it. So yeah, I completed my whole 7-episode of it. So yeah, Sean is just catching up now. I think he's on episode 5. Yeah, he's a bit annoyed that I finished it without him, but I couldn't stop, y'all, and I haven't told him anything. So yeah, so anyways, come along with us, and yeah, we'll see where the day takes us. As usual, please make sure you like the video, make sure you subscribe if you're new to the channel. So catch you guys in a moment. Catch you guys in a little bit. Ooh, it's gonna rain, folks. We're here, just arrived at Aldi. So yeah, people, we just arrived at Aldi, and oh, I need to get a stretch out. Oh gosh. Anyhow, I guess I'll catch you guys inside. Maybe. I'm not promising y'all. Okay? But maybe. I'll probably include a little like, guys, I'm getting this, I'm getting that. I'll see, so catch you guys inside. Alright. Maybe. Oh, we're not putting them in the thing. Let me hold the bag. Let's put them in. We're getting the thing from the trunk. Put River in. Oh, you hook him in fast, eh? I will show you guys this. So this is his car seat, and we actually hook it in here. So it comes with like this, and it comes with like a what's it called, babe? So what we'd have to do is like take him out of the car seat, put him into that cot. Y'all probably see him in it when we went for that walk when ShéKayla was away. Yeah, so that's what we do, because it's convenient, you know, to just hook him in the car seat, because I couldn't picture taking him out of the car seat just to put him in the cot. Doesn't make sense. Not this one, babe. That one. It's this one you need to do.
And it's what I was putting it. And you're like, not that one there.
I never said that.
You heard it, right?
When did I say that? I'm actually vlogging.
It's not that one.
Oh, that's not what I mean. I mean, you're taking the wrong trolley, because we don't need the one with the car seat thingy. is those ones. Unless you want to store things on top, then I get it. But it's the ones over here that we normally get with the other something in the front. But alright. So this trolley is to put the car seat on top. The one over there is a normal trolley. That's what I mean. So that's why I said not that one. Yeah. Hold this back here. Let's make him all cozy, because inside the supermarket, always so cold as well. He looks so nice and peaceful.
Alright, come on.
Sean and gone ahead already leave us. So I will push the trolley. Guys, I still have legs out, you know. It's still summer for me. Whoa, it's summer for me. Yeah, so in we go. So guys, we actually need to do kind of like a big shopping. Sometimes, you know, vlogging and shopping is a lot. It takes a lot of time. So yeah, and the house is like super empty. There's nothing in the house, nothing. So we're making it our aim. We're making it our aim to actually shop every 2 weeks, to do like a major shopping. Kind of thing. Get a what? What's a piñata?
A piñata.
They didn't knock the candy out of? Yeah. Where did they get that piñata?
Huh?
You trying to party? ShéKayla, that's a Halloween thing, isn't it? Oh yeah, it's Halloween coming up, isn't it? We don't do Halloween. I'm definitely not getting a piñata. Then why you drop it? But there's nothing in it.
No, you have to fill it obviously.
Oh, I thought it comes filled. What's the point?
No, you have to fill it.
I don't want a piñata. Where you gonna hang that? And who's gonna grab up everything? Yourself?
Yeah.
That's when you throw parties and stuff like that. Have a bunch of other kids around. Anyways, Sean busy ahead shopping, y'all. Serious over there. Sean, did you see it? The shrimp? You see it? Oh, okay. Sean is on a mission, y'all. Sean is like so busy. He's like wasting no time. We're gonna be up out of Aldi in no time. Let's get some butter. Kayla, let's go, darling. We're just here leaving we're here leaving Aldi and it's raining. Y'all, I decided to do an Aldi vlog, very separate from this vlog. So hopefully you guys can check out that video. I think that video might come after this video, so go and check that out if you guys want the full Aldi haul. So right now what we're gonna do is probably like head to Asda, and ShéKayla needs to go by her uncle to get some American snacks. I don't remember if you guys been watching like for a really long time. I had mentioned that ShéKayla's dad, his family, they had like this business selling American goodies and all of that jazz. So she's actually gonna go and get that, and might try a few stuff, but we'll see. Yeah. Alright, let's get River in. Peekaboo! Hi! Peekaboo! Come, let's put him in, okay? Sorry, babe. Bring him down, Kiki.
Oh, okay.
Let's put him in from the rain. So guys, we're on the move again, right? Just left Aldi, and so I picked this up in there. It's called Cookies and Cream. It looks like Oreo, but it's the Aldi brand for Oreos, Cookies and Cream. So I'm actually, here you go, babe. So I'm actually gonna try one. This is what it looks like. How's it, Kayla? Okay. Try it, tastes like Oreos. Yeah? I'm gonna taste it. It's a bit fatter than an Oreo though, isn't it? The Oreo, isn't it thinner? I think so. The cookie part look a bit fatter.
Oh.
Right?
I never had these ones. I had the other ones. Remember, mommy? It was what? We went to some Littles, I think.
Oh, these kind of taste the same for true. Oh wow. Yeah, I think maybe the Littles one. I don't know. I feel like we tried this Oreo already from Aldi though. A long time ago. I can't remember. I just feel like deja vu. It tastes nice. It tastes like a normal Oreo, to be honest. But maybe like proper Oreo lovers would taste a little difference in it. I don't know. Oh yeah, but it's alright. I'm not a really big fan of like cookies and straight across babe and stuff like that. And one is enough for me. One, yeah, I know. After I eat one from the packet, I'm good. I would eat two like if I had milk, and because I do like to like dunk it, dip it in the milk. That's what Brits love to do. They dip their tea in milk. No, or tea
in milk.
They dip their biscuits or their cookies or whatever in tea. Is it?
Yeah.
Not milk, right? Tea. Yeah, I'm not dunking mines in no thing though, but in milk, like skim milk or whatever, it's nice in milk to dunk it. Oh guys, we're headed to Asda now, so I'll catch you guys in the next clip. All right? Yeah, we are here at Asda. Yeah, look at this. Does that annoy you guys like me? Because Sean always parks the car and does not straighten up the wheel. It annoys me a lot. Guys, I have a storage problem, so I don't even know if I can finish the vlog in here, because I'm using my phone, not my camera. My phone is so full that I just don't have enough storage on it, so I keep having to delete stuff and all of that. But yeah, I'm just here trying to get some diapers and some wipes for River, but it looks like all the size 3 out, which is not good. Where's size 3? Looks like a lot of children wear size 3. They don't have the size 3 jumbo packs. They don't have the small pack. This is size 4. Oh my god, they don't have. I'm gonna have to buy the Pampers brand. But I like to get the Asda brand because I actually love how those fit him. You know? What size is that under there? 5. Yeah, they don't have size 3. What are the odds, eh? They got size 1, they got size 2. And see how much they'd be for, like $240 and like $60 in this one. Pampers Jumbo, this is size 6, size 7, size 6 plus. Golly, what's up with y'all, man? Size 5, what's this one? 4. Oh my gosh. What's this one? 4. They're all 4s. There's no 3, y'all. Slightly annoying, huh? Let me see, that smells nice. How much for it? Sorry, £3. Oh, sweet pea. That's why it smells nice. I have a sweet pea from Bath and Body Works.
So it smells really nice.
Yeah, it's actually nice for real. They don't have reverse size nappies actually. I think the Pampers wipes are so dry to me. I don't really fancy these, the ones I normally get, but they don't have. Oh, it's a 12 pack they have. Should I get a 12 pack? Yeah, might as well, because they don't have. I think last time I got like a 6 pack. How much is a 12 pack? Is it £7 or 12? I guess I have to just get like a 12 pack, I guess. Yeah, it's gonna last. Y'all, I'm on Sean's phone now. Difference in quality, right? Yeah, my phone ran out of storage as I was trying to explain. See, this is just a few stuff we're picking up in here, nothing much. I can't think of anything else that we need from in Asda. So we have the rice, we have River Pampers, we have the wipes. Oh, sardine, we have sardine at home. I'm gonna get a couple of sardine because I don't like them other sardine from Aldi. I don't think I want to compromise on the sardine anymore, y'all. You know, I love the Jamaican sardine. Is it Jamaican though? I always say Jamaican, but I don't think it's from Jamaica. It's Canadian or something, isn't it? These ones, where is it from? It says Canadian style. Where are they made though? I don't know. Oh, sweet milk, babe. I'm gonna get 3. Sweet milk? Where are they? Yeah. So that's 2, whole 2. We could do 4, no? Sean! 6. They have your noodles.
£2.50.
$3.50. How much in it?
£2.50 for 5.
Oh, $2.50. Yeah, get it, cause you like them. No, not them you like.
Yeah.
They haven't had them Maggi noodles in months. You have enough? Did I give you an extra one?
No, 5 is good.
Yeah, because I love these Grace coconut milk powder is so good. Yeah, get 2 Viennas if you want. Oh yeah, then gone right up. It was under a pound. Look at that. 140 for some Vienna sausage for one. Wow.
Maybe because it's from like a different country.
No, it's the same. It's Grace. It's Jamaican. That's crazy, y'all. Get me a bun. I'm gonna eat this in the car. That's my snack. I think. Sean, yes, leave me alone now. Sean, don't understand now that when I take you guys with me, y'all have to be all up in it, right? I have to tell you guys every single detail, okay? Sean, don't get it. We want saltfish and ackee and stuff like that. We don't want that. Okay. I think we're done here. Yeah, I think we're done. We already did our shopping in Aldi. So Asda, we come to Asda for little things that we're not willing to compromise on, like with the brand and stuff. We come to Asda. So yeah, things that we can't get at Lidl's, like our little Jamaican items and stuff like that, we come to Asda. We're not getting that. I don't want no egg replacer. I didn't know. You see? Oh, Sean, look. This is probably what they put in eggless cakes. It says egg replacer.
Okay.
I wonder if that's what they do. What's in it though? What's an egg replacer? I don't know. But let's go. We can go now. I'm ready. Look at Mr. River. Baby!
Alright, so we're good? Alright,
Sean always on the move, you know, man. Jeez. Sean is a hot mess, you know? Sean is such a rush to get out of Asda, right? He said, oh, remember we need a pack of green peppers, and Sean gone way over there in the other section. They don't have.
Of what?
You know, this is cool. So you scan it already. So put it down, put it there. No, it's I think it's 2 because why is it 4 pounds?
Oh.
Is it 4 pounds for everything?
So 4 pounds to each other?
What the heck? What? Since when? So let's bag them, babe. Yeah, take them out and put them in it. Why is 4 pounds for that? 5 pounds used to be for 5 kg. So now 4 pounds for 2 kg. 8 pounds for 4 kg. Anyways, y'all, I wanted to show you guys. So in Asda, they have like a trolley basket shop to scan out, and they have a trolley section, which is where we are. They have for the trolleys, so you could fit the trolley and you're cashing out. And obviously you can see Sean on the camera, and we're like bagging out our stuff right here. Yeah, guys. Seatbelts, 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 seatbelts. You're messing up the vlog. Ping, ping. Yeah. So we just left from by ShéKayla's uncle's house, and if you see behind there, there's a box and there's a big bag on ShéKayla's lap. Hold on. So if you guys can see this box and this bag. Oh, ShéKayla, your bag open. Things gonna fall out. So it's a bag of hey, fix your face. So it's a bag of American snacks and stuff like that in there. Yeah, a bunch of American goodies. So I think I'm gonna do a separate video trying these snacks, because she have all we could no, let's just go in, because it don't really make much of a so we're gonna do that. We're gonna do we're not going here. Let's walk here. I prefer this spirit and stuff. So we're gonna do a separate video, I think, trying we could do like a Jamaicans trying American snacks, innit? Sean is a Jamaican. So it be me then. Cause me don't know who says Sean try all those stuff. He probably ain't even try a lot of those stuff that's in there. So I think I'm gonna do that. I'm not gonna incorporate it in this vlog. I'm gonna start a new video. Maybe not today, or maybe later. I'll see. I don't know. Just trying these American stuff. I might do it tomorrow, you think, Sean? Today or tomorrow? Whenever. Yeah, so we'll do that. So what we're gonna do now, huh? No, ShéKayla is like saying that she's gonna go and sell them because her uncle gave us so many stuff. So ShéKayla says she's going into business. You could make some good money at school.
I know.
But make sure you price them good.
That's what I'm gonna say. What you gonna sell them for?
Yeah.
£3 most of them.
£3.
£3 to £6.
Alright, we'll go through them and then we'll look. Because you gotta have.
We tried to do that in year 7 and it never worked. It just never worked.
Well, you need to organize it properly then and then it will work. So ShéKayla is gonna go into business at school, selling these American goodies. But yeah, we're gonna try some. And yeah, we'll see how that goes. So we're back home now. Is River up?
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah, I need to feed him as well. So I'm gonna head upstairs now. I don't know if I'm gonna end the vlog here. We need to prepare something to eat as well. So I might pick up the vlog when we get upstairs, but if not, we'll catch you guys in the next video. Alright? Okay. And thank you guys so much for watching.